Welcome to MusePrep, your channel for music theory. Great to have you tuned in again. In the last video, you learned what natural notes are and how to name them. What's missing now is the fluent reading of these notes. You need to remember where certain notes are located. Let's start with C1. C1 is located in the treble clef below the staff lines and requires a ledger line. Once you've recognized this note, you can easily determine the other pitches by simply reciting C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C in your mind. The pitches are notated in ascending order, alternating between space, line, etc. Eventually, you won't need to start with C1 anymore, as you'll be able to recognize and categorize the pitches based on their appearance. As a helpful tip, remember that the notes C, E, G, and B are always struck through in the middle and therefore lie on the staff lines. In contrast, the notes D, F, and A lie between the lines. Now let's move on to the bass clef. You can create a mnemonic for the bass clef by closely examining the word bass. The central letter in the word is A, and it is also a natural note. The A1 in the treble clef corresponds to the small c in the bass clef. So, by remembering this mnemonic, you can identify its position at any time. The other natural notes can now be added upwards in the same way. As you can see, C1 is on the first ledger line, and it is the same note as C1 in the treble clef. If you combine two staves with treble and bass clefs, as with the piano, this note is the common link between the staves. Now it's your turn. Can you recognize which notes are shown here? That's right. These are the notes C, F, and A in the treble clef. And which pitches do these notes correspond to in the bass clef? Exactly. Those are also C, F, and A. Feel free to check out our shorts where we have prepared more practice exercises for you.